Hello everyone and welcome to DelftStack. In today's video, I will show you how to permanently add a new directory to your path variable in Ubuntu. Now this process is straightforward, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. Now to make a change that stays permanent even after you restart your computer, we need to edit a specific hidden file called .bashrc. We will use the terminal for this, so go ahead and open your terminal. So go to your app menu and open the terminal over here. Now we are going to use a simple text editor called Nano to open this file. So you can directly copy and paste the command from the description box below, or just simply type it right over here. Type nano_.bashrc, and after that, just simply hit enter. So after that, you will now see a screen full of text. This is the configuration for your terminal session. Don't worry about the existing text. We just need to add one line to the very end. So use the arrow keys on your keyboard to scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the file. And once you're at the very bottom, you will find a new empty line. And over here, you want to paste the following command. So copy it from the description box below. So now just simply paste export path equals $path : /path/2/directory. Remember one thing. Note, you will need to replace the last part, which is right over here, to your own specified directory. And once we do that, it looks something like this. Now, once you've typed that in, we need to save the file. So for doing that, just simply press Ctrl+O on your keyboard and then just simply hit Enter to confirm the save. And after saving that, just simply press Ctrl+X to exit the editor and return to the main command line. Now, even though we have saved the file, Ubuntu doesn't know about the change we just made, so we need to refresh the configuration. So again, let's simply copy and paste the command given to you in the description box below. Then just simply paste source:/.bashrc. So to make sure everything worked perfectly, we can ask the computer to show us the current path list. So again, just simply copy the command from the description box below and paste it right over here. So directly paste echo $path and hit enter. And when you hit enter, you should see a new custom directory listed right here. That means it's permanent and ready to use. And you now know how to set a permanent path variable in Ubuntu. So I hope you find this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.